So this is another practice problem for thermodynamics, and the question is, a rapidly spinning paddle wheel raises the temperature of 200 milliliters of water from 21 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. How much A, work is done, and B, heat is transferred in this process? And like the last video, we're using the same equation, Q equals mc, change in T, and Q is heat, work in this case, M is mass, C is specific heat, which is different for every substance, and then T, or delta T, is change in temperature. And so for part A, we're going to be using that equation, and I've kind of color-coded the values here. So it's going to be Q equals mc change in T. So Q equals 0.2 from the 200 milliliters, 4200, which is the specific heat of water, and then 4, because we're going from 21 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, which is a positive change of 4 degrees Celsius. And when you multiply all of that together, you're going to get 3,360 joules. And for part B, how much heat is transferred in this process, there actually isn't a heat transfer because you're not given the temperature of the spinning paddle, which means that this paddle is not transferring heat to the water. The heat is being generated by friction of the paddle spinning the water constantly. So it's not going to actually be a heat transfer. It's going to be a creation of heat through the faster movement of the particles of water, not because the spinning paddle was hot and transferred, or had a higher temperature than the water and transferred its heat to the water. It's because the paddle is moving the water, and then that friction is causing all the work to go towards increasing the internal energy of the water, aka increasing its temperature.